Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid, and today we are going to learn a dialogue of HSK level 3 test, Chinese proficiency test. Today we are going to learn a dialogue in which a mother and a son are involved and they are going to say something to each other. Son will say something first, then mother will reply. So what is the dialogue? The dialogue is first son is asking that, Mom, I'm really thirsty. Is there something to drink? Now mom replies, there's watermelon juice inside the fridge. You can drink it first. So how to say this in Chinese language?